Gloria be styling, why your haters wildin'? She be out here grinding, everything comes in timing. Click that button, subscribe, yeah. Catch this nice little vibe, yeah. Beautiful and blessed, she shine.
So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. So today in this video I am going to be showing you my nighttime skincare routine. It is actually a pretty simple routine, but you guys will see in the video how I clean my skin of any makeup or anything at night. So the first step that I do, of course, is I pull my hair back, you know, just to get it out of my face and out of my way so that I'm able to clean my face clear. Okay, so once I have pulled all of my hair back, I will take some baby wipes, Parent Choice baby wipes, and I wipe my face with those to wipe off all of the makeup, and yeah. So in the end, this is how much makeup came off using the baby wipes. That's why I like to use them, because I feel like they just get everything off. And so next I take my Dr. Bronner's, and y'all know I swear by this product that Dr. Bronner's makes your face feel so much better. It just gets in those pores, I feel like, and just really does a deep cleansing. So I use that as my nighttime skincare routine. I use that Dr. Bronner's to just make sure my face feels very, very fresh from, you know, wearing makeup all throughout the day. All of the products and things that I used in this video can be found in my top 7 Walmart skincare products, including this brush that I'm using here. But in that video you can find out in detail how these products and things work in clearing up my skin and keeping my skin clean. I will put the link at the top of the screen. So here I've just washed everything off my face, and my face looks pretty clean and clear to me, except those bumps that I have because I didn't wash my makeup off the night before. So yeah, after that I'm going to take my witch hazel here. Let's get that to focus in the screen. Okay, there we go. I'm taking my witch hazel and I just apply this to my face, usually with a cotton ball, but I was being lazy, so I'm just going to take my hand and just apply that to my face. And that's just the part to make sure that my pores feel clean and that that acne that's on my face from the makeup is cleansed. Once my face is dried from the witch hazel, I take my coconut oil. Y'all know, just like the Dr. Bronner's, that I'm gonna make sure that I use that coconut oil to moisturize my face every day that I wash my face. Every day basically I use this coconut oil. So in the end, after that water has dried my face out a little bit and stuff, I take this coconut oil and just put the moisture right back where it belongs. So basically guys, that's it. Pretty simple, my nighttime skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Y'all be blessed and peace.
I'm rocking with Gloria B. Show me what I need to see. Tell me who I need to be. Show me the God that's in me. I'm rocking with Gloria B. Show me what I need to see.